Hi, I'm Zeca Maria from 5E at ICHB School. Today I will introduce you a raw lemon cheesecake. For preparing this cheesecake, we need the following ingredients: 200 ml of filtered water, a quarter of bio lemon, 2 tablespoons of natural sweetener, 10 grams of vanilla powder, 3 or 4 tablespoons of psyllium, and 250 grams of raw cashew. For glaze we need the following: 200 grams of cranberry without sugar, 200 ml of water, 50 grams of raw cashew, and half of teaspoon of psyllium. If you want to decorate at the end, we'll need some coconut flakes, or I put choco, and strawberry flakes. Now preparing the cheesecake. All the ingredients for cheesecake are added in the blender. I will put only one tablespoon of psyllium because I will put 2 more at the final. Water. I will put a little, not all, because I will put when I blender it some too. Vanilla powder, and the bio lemon. I put it with the peel because it's bio, and that's it. My mother will come and help me with doing this. I will put the left psyllium. The last 2 tablespoons. Să mai faci niște apă. Nu aici poți. Am uitat să pun the sweetener. It's ready?
I think so.
Yeah, it's ready. It has small pieces of cashew too, but it's not a problem. Need a big.
What are you doing there?
I'm putting the
Composition?
composition in this recipient, and put it at the freezer. Okay. It's ready now. I will put it in the freezer. And now I prepare the glaze. We will doing in the same way like we do with the composition, because it's like the composition, but we will put the cranberry. And cashew. And the left one. The serum makes the sauce stronger. I will mix it.
It's enough, I think.
Oh, it looks beautiful. Look. Now it's... I love it. I will put something here. Okay, the composition is ready. So I'll put the cream now. Oh, it looks beautiful, and the sauce is pink. The strawberry flakes. It looks so beautiful. Okay, and chocolate.
Put all of them. Put all of them.
Yeah, I think so.
And more cream also.
I will try. Oh, it...
And decorate. Also.
Yes, I will decorate. A second.
I'll taste by image first.
It's
Looks amazing. Yes.
My sister will taste. Taste. Yes. I will taste too. It's very good. Wow. This was my project about cheesecake with lemon.
Raw.
Thank you very much.